Renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have revealed one change compared to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 4. And now, images of the phone's dummy unit were leaked Friday on Weibo by Tipster Ice Universe. The dummy unit shows the same change as the renders, which involves the movement of the flash unit on the rear camera island from directly underneath the three cameras to a spot off the camera island to the right of the first camera. The model's new water drop notch is supposed to allow the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to be fully closed without leaving an unseemly gap between the two sides. Recently, we showed you images of Galaxy Z Flip 5 dummy, and while the latest version of the clamshell foldable also debuts a water drop notch that is supposed to allow the phone to close completely flat, that wasn't the case with the Flip 5 dummy. Perhaps that will change by the time the phone is released next month. While no images of the dummy units showed us whether or not the Galaxy Z Fold 5 closed flat with a new hinge, a now-deleted image leaked by Amit Quater revealed no gap when the device is closed. The hinge is also expected to reduce the crease that appears on the internal screen. While the crease might be reduced somewhat by the new hinge, the Fold 5 dummy unit indicates that it won't be much of an improvement. Last month, we told you that the lack of any noteworthy fresh design changes to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 didn't sit well with Samsung employees. This led Ice Universe to quote one worker who said, "It can't even be called the Galaxy Z Fold 4s," referencing how Apple used to design and name iPhone releases. After all of the previous renders, benchmark tests, rumors, and leaks, we are closing in on the July 26th unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the Galaxy Watch 6, Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and the Galaxy Tab S9 tablet series. You can also reserve your Galaxy Z Fold 5 with a pre-order bonus. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is now available for pre-order reservation at Samsung. Those who pull the trigger now will get $50 towards any other pre-order deals Samsung announces on July 26, when the Z Fold 5 will be unveiled. The Samsung Unpacked event will start at 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and it can be viewed on the Samsung channel at YouTube. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.